Good morning. I have these 10 odds for you today. The first game is in Bolivia, where Real Santa is taking on Club Aurora. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game between Rapid Rascati taking on ASSFC in the Romania Division 1. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. We have another one here in the Canada Division where Wanderer is taking on Vancouver, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have here is in Slovenia, where Olympia is taking on NAFTA 1903, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between San Luis taking on CA Hurricane in Argentina Women Division. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Botev taking on Beros Terra. My prediction is over 1.5 goals in Bulgaria Division 1, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The last game here is a game between FC Different taking on FC Ona Stresen, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. You find this game in Luxembourg National Division, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. A total of 10 odds, 7 matches. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. I wish you good luck. If you want to join VIP and win daily, where you get shot to us 5 to 20 hours on daily basis, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Thank you so much.